Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is an ideal choice for first-time drone pilots and aerial photography enthusiasts alike. With a takeoff weight of just 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration, making it perfect for casual and recreational use. Safety is built in, thanks to integrated propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors that help prevent accidents during flight. The Flip offers multiple control options. It comes with a dedicated remote control, but it can also be piloted using a smartphone app or on aircraft controls, giving users flexibility depending on their preference and experience level. Camera performance is a standout feature of the Flip. It captures stabilized 4K video at 60 frames per second, supporting 10-bit color for rich, vibrant footage. Still photography is versatile, with options for 12MP or 48MP images, and it supports DNG RAW format for advanced editing. The flat D-Log-M video profile provides videographers with a neutral base to adjust color and exposure for professional-level post-processing. The Flip is designed for a wide range of users. Beginners benefit from its lightweight, safe design and straightforward controls. Photography and video enthusiasts gain access to professional quality imaging and creative flexibility through its advanced camera features. Recreational flyers appreciate the hassle-free setup and portability, making it a fun and convenient drone for hobby flying. While it lacks a remote ID broadcast and isn't intended for commercial use, the DJI Flip combines safety, performance, and simplicity into a compact, user-friendly drone that meets the needs of both newcomers and experienced aerial photographers. Specifications: 3.1 by 11.0 by 9.2 and 8.8 ounces, for rotors, integrated obstacle detection, gimbal-stabilized 4K camera, 48MP stills, microSD storage, 1080p live feed, smartphone/app or dedicated LCD remote. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 stands out as an excellent entry-level drone for beginners and content creators alike. Despite its lightweight 249G design, which exempts it from FAA registration, though an online knowledge test is required, it packs impressive performance and versatility into a compact frame. Its camera is capable of recording 4K video at 30 frames per second with HDR-style imaging and supports both landscape and vertical orientations. The 60-degree upward tilt expands creative possibilities, allowing pilots to capture dynamic perspectives. For still photography, the Mini 3 offers 12MP images in either JPG or RAW DNG formats, with its f1.7 lens performing well in low-light conditions during dawn and dusk. Safety and reliability are emphasized with features like GPS stabilization, return to home, and Find My Drone. While obstacle detection is absent, the Mini 3 still maintains steady flight control and peace of mind for casual pilots. Battery life is another strong point, offering up to 38 minutes of flight per charge, with an optional extended battery providing up to 51 minutes for longer sessions and access to remote ID for licensed pilots. The Mini 3 suits a variety of users. Recreational flyers enjoy its lightweight portability, stable flight, and user-friendly controls. Content creators benefit from the camera's flexibility for social media, allowing seamless switching between horizontal and vertical video. Licensed pilots can also leverage remote ID and the optional extended battery for commercial purposes like real estate, weddings, or monetized content creation. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 balances portability, camera quality, and safety features, making it a versatile choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Specifications: 2.4 by 3.5 by 5.7 and 8.8 ounces, for rotors, GPS stabilization, gimbal-stabilized 4K camera, 12MP photos, microSD storage, 1080p live feed, app or LCD remote. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 proves that high-quality drones aren't exclusive to the big names. This compact 249G quadcopter avoids FAA registration requirements while still delivering impressive performance for both beginners and licensed pilots. Its 4K camera, mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, produces smooth, stabilized video at 30 frames per second and captures still images at either 12MP or 48MP, with the option to shoot in RAW DNG for more advanced editing. In testing, the Atom 2 showed reliable flight performance, thanks to its long-lasting 32-minute battery and responsive dedicated remote control. The Atom 2 is suitable for a variety of users. Beginners will appreciate its ease of use, solid camera quality, and affordable price point, which includes a dedicated remote right out of the box. While it lacks obstacle avoidance, careful flying around trees and buildings keeps flights safe. Recreational flyers benefit from its lightweight design, which allows them to fly without FAA registration, making it a convenient choice for hobbyists. For licensed pilots, the Atom 2 stands out as one of the few 249G drones with a built-in remote ID module, enabling legal use for commercial applications such as real estate photography, stock footage, or monetized video channels. Overall, the Potensic Atom 2 combines portability, solid imaging capabilities, and practical features into a versatile package that meets the needs of both casual flyers and professionals. Its balance of performance, reliability, and affordability makes it a compelling alternative to more expensive drones. Specifications: 2.3 by 3.5 by 5.6 in, 8.8 ounces, for rotors, gimbal-stabilized 4K camera, 48MP stills, microSD storage, 1080p live feed, dedicated app remote. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a compact, lightweight drone designed for quick selfies and scenic aerial videos. Its small frame, weighing just 4.8 ounces, makes it highly portable and easy to launch and land directly from your hand, while built-in propeller guards enhance safety during operation. The drone records smooth 4K video and captures 12MP photos, with stabilized footage suitable for social media sharing. Flight time reaches up to 18 minutes on a single charge, and it can be controlled via a smartphone app or, optionally, a dedicated remote control sold separately. While its video quality doesn't quite match higher-end DJI models, it is more than adequate for casual videography and selfie content, especially at a starting price of $199. The DJI Neo is perfect for a variety of users. Beginners benefit from its ease of use, automated flight paths, and intuitive takeoff and landing features, making it virtually self-flying. Selfie enthusiasts will appreciate the on-drone controls that let you capture video quickly without opening an app or connecting a remote. Recreational pilots can enjoy lightweight, registration-free flights in the US, either manually via smartphone or with a remote for greater control and range. Professionals, however, may want to consider drones with remote ID compliance, as the Neo lacks this feature and is not suitable for commercial operations. Overall, the DJI Neo combines portability, simplicity, and affordability into a fun, user-friendly package. It is ideal for casual flyers, social media creators, and anyone looking for a convenient drone to capture memories without the complexity of more advanced models. Specifications: 1.9 by 5.1 by 6.2 in, 4.8 ounces, for rotors, gimbal-stabilized 4K camera, 12MP stills, internal storage, 1080p live feed, smartphone/tablet app control. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. First-person view, FPV, drones deliver an immersive flying experience by streaming an ultra-low latency live feed from the drone's camera directly into a pair of goggles. This puts you virtually in the cockpit of a small, highly agile aircraft capable of weaving through tight gaps and performing thrilling maneuvers like flips, barrel rolls, loops, and vertical dives. Unlike standard camera drones designed for wide scenic shots, FPV drones focus on adrenaline-pumping flight experiences that are as fun to capture as they are to perform. Flying an FPV drone is a completely different challenge compared to traditional drones. With no anti-collision systems and faster speeds, pilots must react quickly, making it more demanding and less forgiving. The DJI Avata 2, rated 8 out of 10 and Wired recommends, lowers the barrier for beginners while still offering high-quality footage, supporting 4K per 60 frames per second or 2.7K per 120 frames per second video. Although it lacks automatic obstacle avoidance, its motion-sensitive controller allows for smooth braking and mid-air hovering, making it far easier to fly than traditional twin-stick FPV setups. The Avata 2 goggles enhance the experience with crystal-clear micro-OLED screens, adjustable interpupillary distance, and a diopter for vision correction, accommodating pilots with poor eyesight. Flying with the motion controller is like using training wheels. You can enjoy most maneuvers safely, though extreme dives or riskier stunts require the optional DJI Remote Controller 3 for full manual control. Overall, the Avata 2 combines accessibility, immersive FPV flight, and professional quality video, making it an ideal choice for those new to the FPV world or anyone seeking a thrilling aerial experience.